Welcome back. Let's solve problem 6. So the problem 6 said, write in the form A plus BI. So the first part, 5 over I. Now, to simplify, simply means, simplify this complex number simply means that you multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So 5 over I, so remember conjugate, of I is minus I. Since I can be written as 0 plus I, so which means its conjugate will be given by 0. Now you change the sign to minus. So you multiply here by minus I. 5 times minus I is minus 5I. I times minus I is minus I squared. But this is the same as minus 5I over minus 1 times minus 1, because I squared is minus 1. So this will give us just minus 5I, but in the required form, we just write 0 minus 5I, so that the answer is in the form A plus BI. Common 2, we have 2 minus I divided by 2 plus I. So you multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So 2 minus I, 2 plus I. So multiply by conjugate of this will be 2 minus I, then 2 minus I, which will be 2 minus I, 2 minus I, divide by 2 plus I, and then 2 minus I. So the same as 2 by 2 is 4. 2 by minus I is minus 2I. Minus I times 2 is minus 2I. Minus minus is plus. And then I times I is I squared. 2 by 2, 4. 2 by minus I, minus 2I. I times 2 plus 2I. Plus minus is minus. I times I squared. Now, next we'll have 4 minus 2I is minus 4I, but I squared is negative 1. 4 minus 2I plus 2I is 0. I squared is minus 1, so minus 1 is plus 1. So this will give us 4 minus 1 minus 4I divided by 5. 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 4I over 5. So which will be the same as 3 over 5 minus 4 over 5I. So that will be the solution. And then part 3 of question 6, 4I divided by 1 plus 2I squared. So to solve this one, let's first simplify 1 plus 2I squared. This means 1 plus 2I multiplied by 1 plus 2I. So 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 2I is 2I. 2I times 1 is 2I. 2 by 2 is 4. I times I squared. So we'll have 1 plus, this will be 4I. Now, I squared is minus 1, so minus 1 times 4. So I have 4, then minus 1. So this will be 1 minus, or 1 plus 4I minus 4. Collecting real parts, 1 minus 4 plus 4I. So this will be minus 3 plus 4I. So it tells us that now 4I over 1 plus 2I squared is the same as 4I over minus 3 plus 4I. Now we multiply conjugate of the denominator by both numerator and denominator. So minus 3 minus 4I minus 3 minus 4I. So this will be 4I into minus 3 minus 4I over minus 3 plus 4I multiplied by minus 3 minus 4I. 4I times minus 3 will give us minus 12I. 4I times minus 4I. So this negative because plus minus, so 16. I times I is I squared. Minus 3 times minus 3 is 9. Minus 3 times minus is plus. So 4I plus minus is minus 12I. So 3, this should be 12, not 4. This must be 12, not 4. I plus minus is minus. 4 by 4 is 16. So I squared. Remember, I squared is negative 1. This is negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 16 will be now positive 16. 9, this will cancel out. Minus 6, then this will be plus. Minus 1 times minus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So we have 16 minus 12I divided by 25. And in the required form is 16 over 25 minus 12 over 25I. So that is the solution to third part of question 6. The next session will be giving the solution to question 7. Thank you.